All right, guys, so we are going to work on my 1939H carburetor here. Hope I don't bore you guys to death with this, but we're going to finish getting this the rest of the way apart. I have, oh boy, that barely even wanted to, there we go. I have already soaked this in the parts cleaner at work for 4 or 5 days, and it still is a little hard to clean up. Whatever dirt was on the outside of that, I got to give them props. Man, that is still sticking in there good. It just did not want to come off there. All right. Maybe we're getting close finally. So it's like -20 here in Western Illinois. I didn't want to fire up the shop. Ooh, boy, that didn't want to come out. That does not look like it's in that bad a shape. I think that'll clean up a little bit. All right. Okay, continuing on. Alright, there we go. Man, this seems to take forever to get this thing apart. Boy, that doesn't look bad down in there. I think I might try to leave that alone. Not want to come out. So let's try to get this one next. Wow. Nah, I ain't gonna touch it. What is going on with that one? Alright, well, we'll start cleaning this up here in just a minute. Let's see what else we got here. So, boy, that doesn't have any movement. We're going to pull that out so we can clean all this dirt off of it. I want to start with a clean carb on the inside and the outside. Or at least as clean as I can get it. Holy smokes, this thing. Look at that. Covered in dirt. I wonder what the inside of the air cleaner looked like on this tractor just from the way this one looks on the outside. I mean, that spent 2 days, or the whole weekend, soaking in solvent at the parts washer. And then I scrubbed it and scraped it and put it back into soak for a couple more hour-long intervals. And it still has dirt on it. There we go. So, spring looks salvageable. I think that'll clean up too. There we go. And that is pretty well shot, but I'm not throwing it away until I'm done. Okay. We have the idle circuit cleared out. No, that's the low idle circuit, fuel inlet. I think that's all that can come off of that. It's ready for the cleaning. Let me grab a different tool here. I don't know why that doesn't fit my wrench the way it should, but ooh. Let's just see what we got. Nope, we're not going to round it off. We'll try a little heat later. Boy, I don't know about that. Is that supposed to be open or not? Well, when in doubt, poke it out. Oh, there's a little brass plug there. Oh. Do we dare? Oh, hey, look at that. Well, that looks like it's in pretty good shape. It's pretty clean. I probably didn't need to take that out, but it did come out. Alright, that functions well. So, my last piece is down here. What is going on here? Get some of the dirt out of the... Holy smokes. I think that's just spinning in there. Yeah, there we go. So, that is the second half to the throttle. There we go. Alright, so that is an empty cast case and an empty cast casing for the carburetor is pretty good. Let's get rid of all this dirt. Alright, rest of the parts inspection here. I just took these out at work real quick. Didn't give them much thought. Let's look at the Venturi. This came out pretty easy, and honestly I don't see any damage on it. I think that'll clean up just fine. The float, ooh, I don't know, we're going to give that a test. Seems solid. Don't hear anything inside of it. Might still be good. I was a little worried about this when it came out, as corroded as it is. But we'll get to cleaning on it and we'll see if I ruin it or if I save it. So, yeah, there we go. Alright. This jet, I think that spring has about had it. Ooh. Yeah, I think we're going to find a better spring, if you guys can see how bad that is. The jet itself looks good. The bowl bolts here, they all look like they're salvageable. And doesn't look bad. And our pin for our float looks okay too. So, overall guys, I think we got a good carburetor to start cleaning on. Alright. Alright, so we're going to hook up the old wire brush. I think you guys have seen plenty of that. I'll bring you back when I'm done. Alright guys, so we're back at it. And I've just been scraping on this thing all down inside here, and I found a big old pile of that's been in there for many years. So I think that's clay. What in the world do they feed those tractors out there? I bought this from a parts guy, and I tell you what, when he sent me the picture of it, it was dirty like every carburetor looks, but I didn't realize this dirt was going to stick to it quite that well. But other than that, it looks like a pretty straightforward and very rebuildable carburetor. So as I keep fighting this, I'll bring you back again. You guys don't need to watch me scrape more dirt. Well, I thought you guys should probably at least get another good look at how tough this dirt is on this thing. Damn, that stuff just does not want to come off easy. But we are starting to get it cleaned up. These little areas down here are going to require some more effort. This down here is going to be a lot of fun. But this is what it looks like when I started with it. This is what I hope to get it to look like for the rebuild. I'm probably just going to paint this one flat black. And I think I may use, boy, that is so tough on there. Yeah, that is no fun whatsoever. I think I need to get one of those ultrasonic cleaners. Man, that's rough. Alright. So I'll keep cleaning on this, probably let it soak, bring you back. But I think we got a pretty good carburetor well on its way to being repaired.